Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, we would be discussing about the jobs that I have posted recently. So let's talk about the stocks. Job opening 8163, Takeon Corp companies hiring for product manager role at Chennai location. You can apply through this link. Let me open this link. So if you see, this is the job, product manager 1, Chennai, India location. And this is about the company. These are the responsibilities that the job needs, and these are the experience they're looking for. So basically, if you see, whenever I click on the job link, it is really redirected to the company website. That means every day I'm pulling the latest job opening from the internet and career website of the company page, and I'm posting it. So please do follow my profile so that you will be updated with the jobs for every 5 minutes. So let's talk about job opening 8162. Marvel Semiconductor Solutions companies hiring for network platform development engineer. In 2 locations, you can apply to this job with this link. So, what are these 2 locations? So, basically, this is in Hyderabad and as well as Bangalore. It is posted 2 days back. So, I recommend you to apply for the jobs before they expire, because these are all some, genuine jobs, and we're putting some efforts to get them. So please take advantage of it. And job opening 8161, Takeon Corp company is hiring for payroll analyst 2 at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8160, Disha India companies hiring for manager talent management, human capital at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. So job opening 8159, Databricks companies hiring for staff software engineer backend position at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8158, AT&T companies hiring for lead cybersecurity AI security engineer at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. And also, if someone in your network is looking for the jobs, please do like the post, comment on the post, and share the post so that it would be reached to a lot of people. Next, job opening 8157, Tata ELXSI company is hiring for business development manager at, uh, where is it? Okay, they did not mention location. Let us open this one. So basically, they did not mention the location, but it is somewhere in India, so you need not to worry about it. You can apply to this job easily. And job opening 8156, SailPoint companies hiring for senior software engineer position, Python for at remote India. You can apply to this job using this link. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity if someone is looking for remote jobs. Next, job opening 8155. Barclays companies hiring for product manager, payments, foreign exchange liquidity, and global transaction. Location is at Mumbai. You can apply to this job using this link. So basically, this job is a good fit for someone who have financial knowledge. Job opening 8154. Czech companies hiring for manager vendor operations, student advocacy team at Jaswala location in New Delhi. You can apply to this job using this link. So do let me know what exactly this drop does. I'm unsure about this. So yeah. Next, job opening 8153. Takeon Corp companies hiring for senior business applications engineer at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8152. Check companies hiring for the lead international tax position at Jasola, New Delhi. You can apply to this job using this link. So this is good fit for someone who have knowledge on tax. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So I've been posting the jobs for every 5 minutes. You can follow my profile. I would be sharing the link in the description so that you would be getting the job updates quickly and faster. Yeah. See you again in the next video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more previous job related informations.